Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set up direct deposit on Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, open Cash App on your phone and tap the banking icon located at the bottom left of the screen. This section shows all your account and money options. From here, scroll down until you see the option labeled Direct Deposit. Tap on it to continue. Next, select Get Started. Cash App will check whether your account is eligible for direct deposit. Once eligible, you will be asked to search for your employer. If your employer appears in the list, you can proceed by logging into your employer portal to link it directly with Cash App. If your employer is not listed, you can still continue by choosing the manual option. Cash App will provide you with your account and routing details. You can enter this information into your employer's direct deposit form so your salary goes straight into your Cash App account. So, that's basically how you can set up direct deposit on Cash App. That's it for this video. Thanks.